The typewriter, a revolutionary invention, changed the way we communicate forever. Did you know it was patented in 1868 by Christopher Latham Scholes? But here's the twist: he wasn't the only one working on it. Several inventors were racing to create this game changer, leading to a fierce competition that sparked innovation. The first typewriter was clunky and slow, taking years to refine. Imagine typing at a snail's pace. And here's a controversial point: while it empowered many, it also sparked debates about gender roles, as women began to dominate the typing profession, challenging societal norms. The QWERTY keyboard layout we still use today was designed to prevent jamming, but some argue it's outdated. Shouldn't we have evolved by now? Lastly, typewriters paved the way for modern computers, but do we really appreciate their impact? What do you think? Was the typewriter a blessing or a curse for communication?